Social media marketing, what it is and how it works. It would be silly not to use social media to market a small business since there are so many benefits to doing so. If you use social media to network, your small business's limited advertising budget won't be able to stop it from growing. Your business could be successful if you think outside the box and use the right social media marketing tools. The important thing is to pay attention to the social media sites that your target audience uses the most. Maximize reach. Social media platforms have changed the way that companies sell their products and talk to their customers in a big way. So that they can take advantage of this chance, small business owners need to know a lot about social media platforms and be able to tell what kind of people use these sites. Statista says that more than 2.85 billion people used Facebook every month in 2021, making it the most popular social media site. YouTube came in second, with 2.2 billion monthly active users, and WhatsApp came in third, with 2 billion monthly active users. Statista also said that the popularity of these networks varied by age group, with young adults preferring Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok, respectively. Segment audience. Forbes says that social media is the best way to market for small businesses because they have the best access to it. But whether you should use one social media site instead of another depends on your goals and the people you want to reach. LinkedIn is better than Instagram for things like professional networking and getting in touch with customers and clients in the business world. Small businesses might benefit from looking into the demographics of the most active social media users. There are many different ways to use social media. You should focus your marketing efforts on the channels that are most likely to reach the people you want to reach. Keeping up with the tastes of a market like the young market, which is always changing, is a very hard thing to do. Even if their parents don't like them, young people are drawn to new and interesting ways to talk to their peers. Make yourself known. Optin Monster says that one of the benefits of social media marketing is that it gives small businesses a low-cost way to get more exposure and raise brand awareness. A strategy for marketing on social media can't work well without using a number of social media marketing tools. You have access to a wide range of tools that can help you reach a variety of goals, such as increasing the number of people who follow you, attracting new audiences, generating leads, and getting customers who haven't finished their purchases to finish them. Even better, you can get some of the most popular tools for free. For example, Twitter Analytics can tell you if people are liking and commenting on your tweets or not. If this isn't the case, you might change the way you advertise to get more people interested. Even if you haven't done much graphic design before, you can still make graphics that look good with Canva. Some tools, like Canva, offer free versions of their basic services, but users can pay for a version that works better. Boost sales. Your daily articles, videos, polls, surveys, and updates should all have the same goal: to get customers interested and make your business seem more real to them. People say that the best way to keep sales steady is to build relationships with both current and potential customers. A company with a strong online presence gives customers interesting content that gets them involved and gives them a reason to visit the site more than once. Using social media for marketing also helps to make customers more loyal, which is another benefit. Customers feel like they are respected and heard more when they are given the chance to talk or comment and get a response right away. Customers who are happy with your products or services are more likely to tell their friends about you and buy from you again. Spend less on advertising. Social media marketing can be used in addition to traditional forms of advertising, such as direct mailing, TV commercials, billboards, and newspaper ads. One of the best things about using social media for marketing is that it can save you a lot of money. If you put time and effort into social networking sites, you might get a lot back from that investment. You can also get social media influencers to like your product by giving them free samples and asking them to share it on social media if they like it. GBN Web Development recommends that a small business use search engine marketing as part of a full digital marketing plan. The process involves getting sponsored content on websites that your target audience is likely to search for. This sponsored content could look like banners and other kinds of ads. When you use search engine marketing, you can track how many people are coming to your site and how much you're making back. Conclusion. If you're in need of help with your social media marketing, look no further than the team at gbnwebdevelopment.com. We have a passion for helping businesses grow online and would love to work with you. Contact us today to learn more about our services or to get started on your project. We look forward to hearing from you. Contact GBN Web Development for a free quote